Good morning, dear students. As in our first video, we have learned about some definitions where we have introduced the integers. Today, we will solve some of the questions from exercise 4a, and here I am taking question number 6 to 10. If you remember, children, we have compare between positive and negative integer, positive with zero integer also. So the question is based on that. So let's start today's class. So here the question number 6, first of all, the question is write all integers between. So two integers are given, you have to write any of the question you have to take and write all the integers which lies between those. Like if I am taking third option of it, that is from -3 and 3. So if I look at the number line from -3 to +3, I have to reach. So I think -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. I think these are only the numbers which lies between -3 and +3. So in this way we can write the integers between two given integers. In the same way we can write rest of the parts. Let's move to next question. Question number 7 is saying fill in the blanks by appropriate symbol greater than and small than. So comparison, I told you, if both the number are positive, the greater will be greater and the smaller will be smaller. If the numbers are with positive and negative sign, so positive will always be greater, as we know, because positive is always greater than the negative. Suppose if both the numbers are negative, so with the negative sign, the number which is smaller, actually it is bigger. So let's do some of the question of this type. Like out of 0 and 7, if we talk about out of 0 and 7, so definitely 7 is bigger. Out of 0 and -3, 0 is bigger. You can learn like that the number which lies on right side, it will be bigger, like -5 and -2. If we see the number line, it is like that. Okay, so can you tell that -2, it is on right of -5. So -2 is bigger than with -5. As I told, with negative sign, the number as much as it is smaller, actually it is bigger. We can do rest of the parts. Now using the same concept, we can tell whether we are able to write the integers in increasing order or decreasing order. Can we write? If we know which number is smaller, which number is bigger, we can write increasing order. It means from smaller to bigger, we have to increase. So here I am sharing one of the question with you. Rest of you have to try yourself. Okay, so I am taking the third part of it. This one. Here -17, 15, -363, -501 and 165. So children, as we know, we are writing from smaller to bigger. So negative numbers are always smaller. And in negative number you can see -17, -363 and the third one is -501. Now our purpose is to find out of these three which one is smaller. So as I told, the number which is as bigger as it is smaller with negative sign. So I think -501 is the smaller one. So I am writing this answer at the bottom. Let me write here. Here I am having this space, so I am writing here -501. Then I think -363. After this -17. So this is the increasing order of what? Of the given number. Still I have written of negative numbers. Now I have to reach for positive also. Out of positive, the number which is bigger is bigger only, and the smaller one is smaller. So 15 and 165. I have to write smaller first and then 165. So this is the increasing order. We are writing from smaller to bigger. In the same way, we can write in decreasing order. Decreasing, we have to write the bigger one first and the smaller one. Let's take the third part only. So bigger one, bigger, always positive. So out of 36 and 0, I think 36 and then 0. Now in negatives, in negative, the bigger which is smaller. So I hope you have understood that minus 5. After that, negative 71 and then negative 81, because negative 81 is the bigger one, and as much as it is bigger, it will be the smaller. So this is the decreasing order. The last question that is very important also. Using the number line, write the integer which is. Now here we are not going to write the integer directly. We have to show it on number line. 4 more than 6. Children, remember more than and less than. More than means plus and less than means minus. Okay. So suppose I am taking this number 4 more than. So children, question number 10, first part is 4 more than 6. So here I am taking all the positive numbers on the right side. As we know, positive should be on right side. You have to take similar gap. Please make sure. In the same way, 12, 11, okay, and so on. And on the left, it is negative. Now the question is 4 more than 6. Please remember 4 more than 6. So what to do? First you have to, because we have to start from 0. 4, it is positive. The question is 4 more than 6. So 4 is positive. So from 0 we have to reach to the right direction at 4 steps. 4 means we have to move 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so directly I take it to 4. Now more than means plus. So we have to move on right direction. Less than means we have to move to left direction. Remember this concept also. Now how many steps? 6. So we have to move 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where we reach? At 10. We reach at 10. So the answer is 10. The final answer. You have to show on number line like this, 4 and then directly 6. You can show like that also. Okay. It's not need to make the small loops. You can make the bigger one only. This is about more than. So in the same way you can do this question also. 5 more than minus 6. But in this, children, you 5 more than minus 6. So minus 6 with minus sign. So first you have to move from 0 to 5. Because 5 is positive. Now minus 6. So you have to move 6 steps backward because of minus sign. Okay. And then see at what number you will reach. Now fourth part I am telling you, less than. Third and fourth is similar. 2 less than minus 3. So here I think I need the negative number also, because minus sign is given to me, right? So I am taking equal gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the left also, please make proper line. Here I am not using the ruler and pencil. You have to use, children, that. Now 2 less than minus 3. Children, in subtraction concept, please remember from concept is work here. So 2 less than minus 3. It means minus 3 से भी 2 less. So first we have to reach to minus 3. First of all, from 0 to minus 3. We reach here. Now minus 3 is 2 less. Or less than means we have to move to left direction. And how many steps? 2. So 1, 2. So where we reach? At minus 5. This is the answer. And how to write this number? Negative 3 minus 2. Okay, so when we solve it, we will get -5. We will learn the addition in next class, then it will be more clear to you. So you have to do these question number 6 to 10, all the parts which is given in this worksheet in your maths notebook. Thank you and have a good day.